Good morning. Good morning from Bali. This is day, well, I was going to say day one, but really it's day two. Day two, big swoop. But we got...
Yesterday we arrived in the night time.
Yeah, so...
And we only ate dinner.
You only had dinner. So it's like day one. It's day two, but it's like day one. It's going to go and check out these, a balcony here where we're staying. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, it's warm out here already. Wow. Oh, look, you can see the beach from here. Look, come. Wow, big waves. Look.
Whoa,
Look. Big waves, eh? Big surfing waves. Look at that.
The pool. The pool's very
Yeah,
big.
that's the adults pool. Then an infinity pool. That's also good surfing here, eh? And we've got a kids pool down here. This is where you guys can go down here.
Yeah.
Pool
I
down
want to
there.
go in the big pool. Can I go in the
Yeah,
big
we will, Chicky. We will. We're going to go have breakfast. We'll go somewhere today. We're here for a week.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, wait.
So anyway, and it's warm already. Oh my goodness, 8 o'clock. What's the weather telling us?
8 o'clock?
Yeah, 8 o'clock, and it's telling us 26. It's only 26 degrees, but that sun's got a bit of a bite to it. Come. So we go. Here's a kids pool area, one part of it, and then there's the other side over there. I'll come back another day to that when we bring the girls. Hammock.
Where's another hammock? I don't know. Yesterday I saw.
I was over there on the other side. They do have like a buffet breakfast. We'll do one morning. We'll do the buffet breakfast here. We're going to go for a bit of a walk now, but yeah, I think it's like $30 all you can eat on the buffet breakfast. Yeah, like I said, we'll do it another day. Maybe the next couple of days. All right, here you go. Lovely day. A bit of a breeze. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, a little bit hot, but it's not too bad because there's a breeze, isn't there? Morning. Morning. How are you? We've got the beach. We'll go for a quick look at the beach. Then we'll go and sorry?
To the beach? To the beach.
The beach, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. How good is that? He's gonna stop the traffic for us. Thank you. Oh, that was cool.
Yeah.
Huh? So me olvidé. Oh, that was cool. He stopped. He's going, go to the beach, yeah. Go to the beach. So what? You go on the beach, yeah. And yeah, he stopped the traffic for us. So yeah, look at that. You got todo puesto. There's all like a little coffee thing. Yeah, but where we're going is that way. But okay, we'll go a bit and then go like that. Oh, look at the squirrels! Look! Las ardillas! Yeah, cool. Oh, there's one here too, look. Yeah, here. Cool, little squirrels. The surf is huge here today. This part of the beach, check it out. Wow. Charlie. Oh yeah, they're just opening, things are just getting started here. It's very early in the morning, so they're just opening things up. Good morning. Not yet. Go for a walk.
I have bloody bintang.
No worries. I don't drink alcohol, but thank you.
Coconut. I have coconut.
After. Thank you. Thank you. another follow digital creator over there, for the looks of it. And what do you think, Alexia? What are your impressions? What are your thoughts?
Very nice.
Completely different to Japan, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. We need some reggae music coming up.
What are these things?
Oh, that sun! What time is it? It is only 20 to 10, 9:30, and it's warm. Mano. Woman, no cry. Shed no tear. No woman, no cry. Right? See, I remember when we used to sit in the government Charlie Trench Town. This is so. Bali Mandira. Bali Mandira. Looks nice there, doesn't it? I'll have to come and check it out one day. I think Alini's still a little bit shocked, culture shock. See, I've been to Thailand, so I already knew what sort of to expect, you know. But I don't think Alini's been to any places like this, you know, like Thailand or Bali, or it's very similar, you know. It's a little bit more poorer, it's a bit more, you know, a bit more crazy. The cars and everything just scooting around.
My first morning. My first morning.
First morning, okay. Traveler's Choice. What's this place? Oh, that was the same place, just in the other side, Bali Mandira. Fat bowl. Not yet, not yet. Later. We're just gonna have breakfast first.
Okay.
Okay.
Breakfast here.
Okay, no worries. All right, thank you.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Bye. Hey, you wanna get some braids in your hair? Hey, you guys wanna get some braids? Maybe we can do it on the beach when we're at the beach. Get nice little tight braids. Maybe.
But can they come undone?
Oh, yeah, they can. Of course they can. They're not dreads. They're braids. Not dreads. Braids. I think here we turn around here. Got to look at my map, but I think the place I want to go to, I think it's just down here. Let me have a look at the map. You want to hold this for a second, Chicky?
Yeah. Look at all those motorbikes.
Oh, Baba, yeah. I need to get a, not today, but another day. I think I might come and get a, fix the beard up a little bit. Y bar. Minima Bella Vista. Bella Vista.
I think there's more
Sorry?
I think there's more motorbikes here than cars.
Yeah, I think so too, yeah. Check out this craziness of bikes. We're gonna need to cross over there, I think. I think we might need to get over there. Oh, so this is what the holdup was about. They're cutting some trees. Look at this for OHS and safety, eh? Acá no hay OHS ni nada, eh? Oh. Welcome to Bali. Alright, here we go. And this is where we're going to have breakfast, I think, the Brunch Club. Brunch Club pancakes. Thank you. ¿Cuántos somos? 3, 5. Thank you, sir. Cross, beautiful. The cross, Jesus.
You're Christian too?
Yes. Yes. So here we are at the Brunch Club, deciding what we're going to eat. We ordered some coffees and I looked here, I saw fried chicken Benedict, so that's what I'm going to have.
Thank you. Cafe latte?
Yes, please. Thank you. My cappuccino for my mum. Thank you very much. There's my latte, which looks really good. Would you get a nice matcha latte?
Yes.
Oh, time to try the latte. Let's see if the latte is any good in Bali. My first latte in Bali. Here we go. Yeah, it's good. Have you already got coffee? Yeah. Yeah, that's good coffee. It's the same coffee you would have back in Australia, so that's really good. Nice, creamy, good coffee bean. Not too hot, not too cold. Yeah, no complaints. That's a good coffee. Really good coffee. Look at your fruit. Doesn't that look nice, huh? We've got some scrambled eggs, some nice looking toast, a bit of bacon. Yeah, you do. Yeah, and this is my fried chicken. Look at that. ¿Por qué pusieron para el costado no en el medio? Se corrió. Ahí. All right. Hello, a couple of poached eggs on top and some fried chicken. Oh, nice. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. Chicken tastes really good. The egg has been cooked nicely. That bread's nice. Yum. Can I have one of these hash browns? We'll try.
Pancake.
That's a famous souffle pancake, hey? Yeah. That looks lovely. Oh, so we've got a Grab, which is equivalent to an Uber back in Australia. I think it should only cost about $15 to drive about 50 minutes to the other side. We're in Legian at the moment and we're heading to Sanur. So yeah, got the app here, which is pretty much the same thing, nice and simple. Same as Uber back in Australia. Because there's a lot of us, there's 5, we've got 2 little girls. I thought that's probably the easy way for us to get around is to grab a Grab, which is an Uber. Huh?
And I have this.
Thank you.
Oh, it's getting close now. Here. Here we go. You guys jump in the back, I'll jump in the front.
Where are you? You first.
Morning. Sarasa Iman po. All right. How about you?
Baik.
Morning.
Good morning, Mother.
So here we are in the Uber. Everyone's nice and comfy. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So yeah, we're heading to the other side, as I was saying, to Sanur, which is about roughly, depending on traffic, is a lot of it here, about 45 minutes to an hour. So we'll get to have a look around as we drive along. I see it's crazy, the little truck here, we're trying to get through, I don't know where he's going. Now there's another one there, there's another one coming this way, it's a little tiny lane. This is insane. Now we're all stuck. Who's going to go where?
Mau kemana? Kesini apa ke sana? Rating.
Yeah, this is the truck, he's blocking everything. Wow, look how close this we are. These lanes are tiny. Good drivers here though, good drivers.
Thank you, boss.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Mi corazón se paró.
Why?
My heart stopped there right now. Like he's so. Oh my goodness.
But see that how well it was organised though? If we were in Australia then, everyone would still be sitting there, everyone telling each other off, beeping at each other, and they would have sat there for ages. Oh.
Thank you God, we have a
Wow.
good driver.
Yeah.
Very good driver.
Yeah, very good driver. Oh, here comes another big truck here. Oh, here we go. Oh, lucky we've got a side driveway thing here, so it's actually not too bad this time around. There you go, thank you. Bit much job, thank you, thanks. Hey, look at this little lanes.